Hello everyone, I hope you guys are fine at home. So today we'll continue our video with the description of stanza 1. In the stanza, the poet has described a rainy night as the rain bearing clouds cover the stars in a blanket of darkness. Their starry glimmer disappear from the sky. A tingle of nostalgia envelops the poet's heart. So what exactly the poet meant to say? That night, which was clear, all of a sudden it was covered by cloud, and which simply that is the reason why their starry glimmer disappear, and the tingle of nostalgia envelops the poet's heart. The falling rain reflects his sorrowful mood, and the raindrops looks like tears falling softly from human eyes. And look, just because all of a sudden season, that means the situation was changed. So that means how beautifully Poet Skinny has described this situation. It was as if it was the sorrowful state of a man's mind. It was a situation जब कोई इंसान बहुत क्या कर रहा है, बहुत sorrow नहीं सा फील कर रहा है, बहुत ही दुखी है, ठीक है ना? And all of a sudden what begins to fall, raindrops begins to fall, and that means it compare it's from the tears which simply roll down from your cheeks, and it seems as if the sky joins him in shedding pensive tears in solitude. और ऐसा लगा जैसे मानो कि ये किसको कंपनी दे रही हो, ये पोइट को कंपनी दे रही होती है। जब वो सॉलिट्यूड में बैठ करके किसी चीज़ को याद करके जब वो रो रहा था, तो उस टाइम पे किसकी कंपनी मिल रही थी उसे? तब जो कंपनी मिल रही थी उसे, वो थी आपको रेन के फॉर्म में, ठीक है ना? ऐसा लगा जैसे मानो कि उसके साथ क्या रो रहा है, आसमा भी क्या कर रहा था, रो रहा था। इट सेम्स okay, and at this point the only thing that can lift cloud of melancholy from the poet's heart and fill him with bliss to curl up with a pillow in the bed of a country cottage room. तो मतलब उस समय पे just there was just one thing which can comfort the poet, and what was that? That was to take rest. हमारे केस में भी क्या होता है, जब बारिश हो रही है then we love to curl up with pillow and sleep. तो यही सिचुएशन जो था किसके साथ था? पोइट के साथ भी था, कि मतलब इस सिचुएशन में, that means when there was a like sorrowful situation, तो इस कंडीशन में just there was just one thing which can comfort the poet, and that was to curl up with the pillow and take rest. And then come to the like stanza 2. Every tinkle on the single has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start, and a thousand recollections vape their air thread into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So before I may proceed, I would like to write the meaning of difficult words over here. So the first one is your tinkle. Tinkles mean ringing sound. The first one is your tinkle. Tinkle mean ringing sound. Ringing sound. Okay, and the next one is your single. That is your rectangular tiles. Rectangular tiles used on sloping roofs. Sloping roof. And dreamy fancies. Next one is your dreamy fancies into busy into busy being, into busy being। तो इसका मतलब होता है आपको imaginary stories in my mind, and the next one is your recollections, memories। Recollections mean memories, okay? Recollection mean memories, okay? And the next one is your air thread mean dreamy memories, okay? And the next one is your into woof mean become entwined, और entwined का मतलब होता है twist together। Entwined means twist together, okay? And the next one is your patchwork mean needlework in which small pieces of cloths are joined to make a pattern, okay? So the difficult words are like tinkle means ringing sound, and the next one is your single means rectangular tiles used on sloping roof, and the next one is your phrases like dreamy fancies into busy being, that imaginary stories in my mind, and recollections mean memories, air thread mean dreamy memories, into woof become entwined, and like patchwork mean needlework in which small pieces of cloths are joined to make a pattern. So thank you very much guys. Description in my next video I'll give you its description. Thank you very much. Till the time, take care of yourself.